जो इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस और सोशल इंटेलिजेंस है, ये इमर्जिंग फील्ड्स हैं साइंसेस के, जो हमारे रिलेशनशिप्स में, हमारी टीम बिल्डिंग में, हमारे बिज़नेस प्रोफाइल में, इन तमाम चीज़ों में ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हैं। तो जो ट्रेडिशनल IQ बेस्ड मॉडल्स थे लर्निंग के, उससे बेहतर है कि आप इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस को भी इनकॉर्पोरेट करें अपनी डे टू डे वर्किंग में। और लाइफ इज़ ऑल अबाउट रिलेशनशिप्स, और आप इसको इफ़ेक्टिवली यूटिलाइज़ करेंगे तो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज़ यू कैन बिल्ड बेटर नेटवर्क्स, you can also lead better your teams, and on top of leadership, if you are a part of a team member, you could effectively communicate in your team, you can tell better stories, you can set a better narrative, and this is basically how you feel yourself and how you think the others are feeling. This is one of the most important data you have to navigate your day-to-day life. So I think it's a very interesting topic. I work in the US. I'm a faculty at Brown University, and I was given this opportunity to give a lecture on emotional intelligence, which is part of leadership as well. So I think I'm very grateful for Leeds University for this seminar.
It's my pleasure to visit Lahore Leeds University, which is headed by Dr. Nadeem Bhatti, who has a student all over the world. Even I am the one of them. In 89-90, I was a student of Dr. Nadeem Bhatti. Then Dr. Saab went to Australia, got PhD, then went to Canada and Saudi Arabia. So I was so excited to visit, and it's really, I hope this Lahore Leeds University will grow day by day under his leadership. I was really impressed to hear that you guys are having a emotional intelligence seminar, and you have a guest from USA. When you go to Harvard, they do this kind of seminar, and in Pakistan, Lahore Leeds University, I think that goes to them. They are having a great speaker, a friend of mine who also live in USA.